Good morning to one and all. This is Vamsi Krishna from the Technical Department. Today I would like to discuss about the basics of power systems. The power system consists of mainly three parts. One is power generation, power transmission and power distribution. In the power generation, how we generate the power? Using different sources. That means using conventional and non-conventional. It is also called renewable energy sources and non-renewable energy sources. And coming to the transmission, how do we transmit the generated power to the consumer? So that is the concept of transmission and distribution. How we distribute the power to the different types of consumers like industrial consumers, agriculture consumers, domestic consumers, residential consumers, commercial consumers. All this comes under the category of power distribution system. So in that, first we discuss about the power generation. In this power generation, basically based on two types. One is renewable energy sources and another one is non-renewable energy sources. Coming to renewable energy sources, as its name indicates, it will renewable. After usage also it will be renewable. So coming to non-renewable energy sources, they are non-renewable. As it means, if we use once means they are extinct. So that's why it is called non-renewable energy sources. So in general, the renewable energy sources are solar, wind, tidal is all under the category of renewable energy sources. Coming to coal and all nuclear fuels, like all under coming in the category of non-renewable energy sources. So by using these renewable energies, nowadays renewable energies plays a major role in the society because the non-renewable sources are very small in amount. If we use that non-renewable means they are extinguished. After that we are going to renewable. That's why now the old is turned into renewable energy sources. In this renewable, main solar and wind. So in this solar, by using sun, we can convert the solar energy into electrical energy. In the wind power plant, we convert wind energy into conversion of wind energy into electrical energy. In the hydroelectric power plant, so the kinetic energy of water is moving towards the vanes of turbine. The turbine will rotate. After the turbine is coupled to the alternator, the power will be generated. This is the hydroelectric power plant. So coming to non-renewable sources, mainly there are two non-renewable. One is thermal power plant and another one is nuclear power plant. In thermal power plant, we combust the coal. After that, heat is produced. By using this heat, conversion of water into steam. This steam is fed to the steam turbine. So when steam is fed to the steam turbine, the pressure energy is converted into rotational energy, the help of turbine. This rotational energy is coupled to the alternator will generate the power. The similar process will be takes place in the nuclear power plant. In the nuclear power plant, the nuclear fusion will be takes place. So in this process, nuclear fusion process, heat is released. By using this heat, we can convert water into heat. This heat is fed to the again steam turbine, and after the steam turbine alternator is coupled, we can generate the power. This is all under the category of power generation. So these power plants like thermal power plant, nuclear power plants and wind power plants, these all are far away from the consumers. So in order to transfer the energy from the power generating station to the consumer, then it transfers with the help of medium is called transmission. So in this different types of transmissions are there. So in this double structured towers, single structured towers, There are so many towers. So suppose take an example of a hydroelectric power plant. It is placed near Sriramulu or Mallikarjunarao. Those are hilly areas. So from that place to suppose an example of taken Vijayawada. So the power transferred from Sriramulu to Vijayawada, we need a transmission system. That's why we are using these transmission systems. In transmission systems, different types of poles are there. Single structured poles and double structured poles. And after that, this transmission power is distributed to the distribution system with the help of a transformer. Why? Because power generating is under the 11 kilovolts and transmission with the help of 132 to maximum of Indian transmission system is 765 kilovolts. After that 765 kilovolts is fed to the distribution system with the help of distribution substations. There the voltage is stepped down to 132 volts to 33 kilovolts. After that, street winding transformers are there. The transformers are stepped down 33 kV to 11 kV. After that, it is again stepped down to 440 kV. Sorry, 440 volts. This 440 volts is given to the consumers, directly consumers. If we give 11 kV means that feeder is sent to the directly to the industrial consumers and commercial consumers. This is about the distribution system.
Thank you, Chapra.